What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, as you see, your boy is in the studio, and this studio shoot is going to be a 2-light setup. I am using the Godox AD600BM II attached with a 55-inch deep parabolic softbox, and I also using two AD200s paired on the AD200B adapter that's giving me that 400-watt power of light that I'm going to need for this shoot, and that's going to be attached to a 16 by 2 feet, I believe, strip box that was provided by the studio. Now, the reason why I'm in the studio, guys, is just simply because I want to get better at doing studio work. I'm always being outdoors, and I do like doing outdoors a whole lot better than the studio, but I need to get better at doing studio photography. So this whole video is going to be me just kind of doing that. I am shooting with Allison. Y'all seen me shoot with her plenty of times before, guys, and she's going to be in a lot of more videos coming up. She's definitely a professional, so that always helps because we was definitely in a time crunch during this, man. We only had about 30 minutes before we had to get out of the studio. So her being a professional absolutely really helped us get the shots that we needed very fast, very quickly. And I do appreciate her for that. But this was definitely her idea. She sent me some inspiration pictures, and that's the reason why I chose the lighting setup that I did, because I was trying to mimic the same lighting that she sent me on the inspo pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead, quit my babbling. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get right into the video and to the next one. Well, I'm actually gonna be doing some commentating between this two as well. So into the next video, peace.
This video is sponsored by Evoto AI. As a portrait photographer, editing should refine the images, not slow the workflow. Evoto AI is designed to simplify professional photo editing without sacrificing quality. Evoto uses intelligent AI to retouch skin, reduce blemishes, smoothen texture, and preserve natural details so portraits stay realistic, not plastic. Advanced portrait tools allow precise control over facial features, eye brightness, skin tones, and lighting, all with the simple, intuitive adjustments. Color correction, background cleanup, and batch editing makes it easy to apply consistent edits across the entire session, whether it's studio, fashion, or outdoor work. Evoto helps photographers deliver clean, professional results fast without layers, complex masking, or endless tweaking. Smarter editing starts with Evoto AI. Try it out today. The link is in the description. Use my code STAN20 to get up to 20% off. Now we're getting right into this, guys. Now, like I told you in the beginning of the video, there is that big giant 55-inch deep parabolic softbox that's over the top of the model. And then I got the strip box right there on the right side of the screen. Now, like I said, guys, I did have two other shoots before this. As you can see back here, that is Sam that's in the background right there. I just got finished shooting with her. And now I'm doing with Allison. Now, funny thing about these two AD200s, I haven't used them in a while during that shoot. And when they go like off, like when they just cut off by themselves and you try to cut them back on, for some reason, it's some type of glitch where I have to take the batteries out, as you can see what I'm doing right now, and put them back in to get the AD200s working again. That's pretty much what I'm doing at this point.
1, 2, 3.
Gotta up my protein intake.
Yeah. You gotta up goats. Fuck. All right, I'm liking these, Allison. Let me show you these.
Okay. Okay.
Like them? Like them.
I use my big old cane. You want to use it?
How you gonna bring cane to even use it? Why did we forget to use it? There we go. Yeah. Nice. I love all these. Yeah, these are solid. Yeah, I like that. Look that way, yeah. Yeah, on the side, just like that. Yeah. Yeah, hold it. Just actually bring it down so I can see more of your shoulder, and then so I can see the thing. Yeah, there you go. Scoot over just a little bit, right there. Now go ahead. Solid. All right.
Medium woman.
Let's
Medium woman.
what I'm gonna do here.
Down?
Duck. Go down. Go down. There you go. Nice. Nice, Allison, nice. Oh, that one go long ways, keep that. Yeah, these are nice. I love these. Woo-hoo. Bring the legs in a little bit closer to you. Yeah, just like that. I want that. Yeah, stay just like that. 1, 2, 3. Look at these guys. Fire shots. Just killing it right now. Fire shots. Yeah, let's put the hands up just like that. Yeah. Look how good these shots are, guys. Nice. All right, look at these guys. Look at these.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and commentate the rest of this video. As you can see, guys, I am now shooting her on a stool, guys. You know what? I think a stool is just like a classic studio shoot. Get a stool, put the model on, and get some great looks out of it. Especially in a situation like this where we was kind of rushing. It's really easy just to get a stool to get different looks in such a short time period that we was able to shoot. Because again, I told you we was only able to shoot for like at least, I don't know, like 25 minutes or so, man. Like we was really rushing through. Now, I'm just trying to show her some different pose ideas on the stool because she really didn't know anything. And, you know, she's definitely a professional, but sometimes it's nice to, you know, help the model out and give her some different ideas of what we was thinking. Now, what we end up doing was we end up not using that pose of the sit down pose because it didn't work well. I think the stool actually was just a little bit too, it wasn't the right height for what we was trying to get there. So we decided to go ahead and change it up with this different pose here, as you can see. And I thought that was definitely able, a little bit better than what we was previously trying to figure out, as you've seen. Now, shout out to Allison again for coming up with this Inspire outfit. I thought it was really, really great. Definitely with the whole fashion vibe that we have out of it. I really wish we had a little bit more time so I can really play with the lighting and get some more moodier stuff. But I was pretty satisfied with what we got, especially in this short time period here. And you can see Allison's definitely a great fun of energy, man. As you can see right there, definitely a big ball of energy. Always nice to shoot with. So now I went ahead and took away that stool, and as you can see, I'm definitely giving her more posing ideas. And what I was doing with the shoulder situation, I was really trying to show her how I wanted that dramatic lean on that shoulder, like really, really dramatically. They're kind of really just dip that shoulder up. So that's what I was really trying to show her and teaching. I think the photos coming up, I really, really enjoyed this photo because I really thought she did the shoulder exactly the way I wanted it. And I really enjoyed that photo right here. Now, guys, I love my 50mm lens, and I absolutely love shooting with that thing. And I only used the Sony 85 and the 50 with this whole entire shoot. Now here, I just want to do something a little bit different. She had the jacket on. I thought this will look really, really cool. How the jacket was like really, really feathery. So I thought that would be a really good thing to kind of like play with it. Now, as you can see right here, I'm still kind of coaching her, and we're doing some photos. I do like that photo, as you can see on the screen right now. But I was really trying to coach her right here of like, come down slowly with your arms so I can get different type of looks. And I really thought we came up with some really great looks when she was able to, slowly bring her arms down and do different motion with her arms. And I thought we captured some really, really great stuff here.